Okay, so I went to a Rubik's Cube competition and this is how it went. So, this place looks absolutely amazing. We were walking through and keep going.
Within Shore Farm.
What an amazing place this is. And now we're entering the building.
Go on.
Kind of made a touch of a mistake here.
Here it is. Where? Here. Within Shore Farm.
Okay, so we're entering the building. And wow. Such a lovely place.
Here we have it.
We have-
The important piece of paper.
So here it says, I'm going to be doing
What's it say on it?
2x2, 3x3 and
So I'll be
pyramids,
competing
all in group 2.
3x3, 2x2, and pyramids.
Group?
That's going to be exciting. Wait, just a minute.
Yeah.
Turn it off.
Very excited for the competition. Oh, look at this place. Absolutely phenomenal. Here I go, ready to wait. Oof! Banged my head. You know, honestly, there can't be a video without one clip of me just being not spatially aware. Now here I am. I'm about to solve my first cube. Let's see how I do. And then it appears this is 3x3. Alright. Let's see how I end up doing. The timer didn't turn on. Right. And we go. Very nice solve I got here. It was decent. I got a 55, which is pretty good for me. So yeah, finishing up the final algorithms here. And a 55 was definitely better than I was expecting. Thinking about it, that was quite a slow solve. But I was still able to get it down at 55 seconds. Which was decent for me. Definitely unexpected. And I get another solve. Once again with this person. And we are beginning solving. And we are doing quite well. And here I am, continuing to solve the cube. in the end, it was quite a good solve. I'm beginning to solve and finish with a time of 59 seconds.
Got 59, sub 1 again. Happy with that. Good luck for your next one, eh?
So here I go again, solving the cube again. Honestly, this time I didn't do too bad. I'd finished inspection, and I'd inspected some quite nice cross pieces. Now what you need to remember is that this was my first Rubik's Cube competition. I did not do well. Big spoiler there, but probably would know that. Because you know I'm not the best cuber in my country. Oh. But you know, I tried my best. That ended up turning out quite well. So yeah. Better than expected. And this solve ended up being quite good. Surprisingly, I got 58 seconds, which, you know, it wasn't horrendous, but it wasn't the best thing I've ever seen.
That's alright, got 58, better than the last one.
Here I go again. If you can't see me, I'm in a blue shirt. I'm currently solving a cube. On one of the white table at the back. Just in case you didn't realise that. So this was actually ended up being my best solve yet. It was actually surprisingly impressive, so I got a 53 on that one, which, you know, wasn't, it was quite good. My celebration begins here. Very happy with a 53.
That was your best time.
Best time record. 56, 50.
Stop checking on the time though. Just concentrate.
Here I am again, solving. Well, this was my final solve, and actually, it was my best solve. Just watch as I get 50 seconds solve, which isn't bad for me, by the way.
I think that's my round over.
And you know, it was a pretty decent finish for a first competition, not gonna lie.
Sorry about it.
Yes, they are all things.
You know, in the end,
My
we
camera
really
is the
had
real
good
one.
fun and 3x3. You can see me well
Okay,
done.
thank you very much.
Alright, so from the little shop they had down there, I got this Mouse.
Probably would have been more worthwhile getting the
Let's
camera
try and
buddy.
unbox it. Can I have some keys, please?
Yeah, do you still want a video right now?
Yeah.
Okay. Keys, please.
Alright, I think that's cut it open.
No way! DIY, I enjoy stuff.
Take off
Nice!
this unwanted wrapper. And then we're going to figure out how to open it. Ah! This is how you open it. Okay. Right. And then we unbox
Oh, it comes with a triangle.
Excuse me, how is
our cube.
that?
And it comes with a triangle so you can stand it.
Ah.
It's a key stand.
Already clarified that, buddy.
Next round, Megaminx is up. I'm in 2x2, and 2x2 is after lunch, which is after Megaminx. So we've still got about an hour until next
Sadly, I wasn't thinking. But
So we're going to get out.
not a big deal, because guess what? Breaking news, guys. I can't solve the Megaminx. We thought he could solve the Megaminx. How can you disappoint us? Well, I can't. I've been trying.
Oh, this feels nice. So I've just got to get my head around how you turn such a puzzle. Turn it off.
I put it this way. You asked me if I'm ready. Ready?
Okay.
I'm ready.
And
Ready?
oh, it's not turned on. Okay. Okay.
Ready?
And I'm ready to inspect now.
Alright, so this solve was an interesting one. Pretty fast 2x2 solve overall. It wasn't too bad in the end. Getting the sub 20 is what's really important about this solve. I got a sub 20 and that was what mattered at the end of the day.
That's 18.26.
Right, back to the primitive camera that hasn't been placed up by a Rubik's 4x4 filming me in a second person view. Yeah, I got some pretty nice 2x2 solves, but you know, I'm not going to bore you with all the little details, I know. All I'm going to say is that they're probably not professional devastators. But listen, they were under 25 seconds, all of them, and only one of them was over 20 seconds. So I think that's pretty good for me. What's happening here is I kind of almost got a +2. I was this close to getting a +2, but the delegate said otherwise. That was lucky. I've just finished up this solve, and I mean, my average was decent. I got an 18.12 average and the best score of 11.07, so that's decent. Moving on to Pyraminx. Right, this is where I thought the money was at, really, in this competition. I knew Pyraminx, listen, I got one of the top 100 UK solves in the world with 2.71 seconds. So I thought, well, surely that's going to help me. And I did get a decent average of 14.77 seconds, which I know you're absolutely laughing your head off right now and saying, well, how could you possibly get such a terrible average for competition regulations, remember? Every average is good if you think it is good.
You've got a low 11.
Right?
Take it.
And, you know, I did kind of get knocked into 45th in this round, but at the end of the day, I got one of the top 10 PR singles with a 7.60 seconds single. And, you know, that I consider that pretty decent.
I got a high 7.
It's time to talk and do a little dance, and then straight away do a fist bump, because I'm so happy I got a 7-second solve. Yeah. I kind of almost got a +2 again here. So the judge had to call the delegate, and guess what? The delegate made a decision in my favour again. Ridiculous.
Got a low 19.
I don't know how.
That's okay,
I don't know.
because we had a
I
good
don't know
start.
how, but
Yeah,
it keeps going in my favour.
that's not
Alright,
too
so I've
bad.
finished Pyraminx now, and I got an average of 14.77 and a best of
Alright, so
7.0, which are
from
both
the little
PRs,
shop
but then
there,
again, this is my
I got
first
this
competition.
Mo use.
And here is the Scube unboxing again. So feel free to skip, because I accidentally added in a lot of duplicates
Do you still want a video?
on this video. But remember, it's the first video I've ever edited.
Keys, please.
Calm down.
I think that's cooked it over. Has it? Yes. Right. So we're gonna take off all of this unwanted wrapper, and then we're gonna figure out how to open. Ah, this is how you open it. Okay. Right. Right. And then we unbox
Oh, it comes with a triangle.
our skew, and it comes with a triangle, so you can stand it.
Ah.
It's a key stand. Next round, Megaminx is up. I'm in 2x2, and 2x2 is after lunch, which is after Megaminx. So we've still got about an hour until next competing. So we're gonna get our skew. How do we get this thing out of here? Alright. Grand reveal. Oh, this feels nice. So I've just got to get my head around how you turn such a puzzle. Turn it off.
And just for your sheer entertainment purposes, let's watch that 2x2
Oh, it's not turned
one
on.
more time. Okay.
Okay, ready? And I'm ready to inspect now.
Nice.
Alright.
That was very lucky.
Yeah.
3.88. Now you put your number in.
Yeah.
No, I did.
Yeah.
In the end, better than I was expecting. Nice.
That's 18.26.
And I still don't know why I keep getting duplicates. Alright, if you don't want to see my entire experience again with no audio, well, with no voiceover audio, feel free to skip to 32 minutes and 30 seconds and we'll do the outro.
I got a low 11.
Take it.
I got a high 7.
Oh,
I got a high 7.
that's amazing.
We got high in the 10s, we got a low 19, but that's okay because we had a good start.
Yeah, just yeah. What's up?
Alright, so honestly, all I have to say is it was honestly such an amazing first Rubik's Cube competition. I'm really happy with how I did, and I'm really glad that I had such a fun time doing it, and you know, I'm very happy that I did decide to do the Rubik's Cube competition because it was absolutely amazing. I got some great solves, I had a fun time,
That's not
and
too
you know,
bad.
it was wonderful, honestly. And my scores were decent in the end, yeah.